Genetics, in all what Mr. Frank said, remains something reliable, because when we talk about Egyptian horses, we say that even if the world goes mad with show, maybe that when one day we want to go back to something true about horses, we will find Egyptian bloodlines that are still available thanks to breeders. What do you think of that?
Yes, exactly. We were just talking about this indeed. So I think it's a tricky question.
That's my role.
Very tricky, because in reality you have absolutely genetics, but you have also epigenetics. So if we count in average, according to our best knowledge, that the genetics might play a role of 30% of the, let's say, the horse makeup, but we have almost 70% is actually designed by the breeder. This is what we call the epigenetics. So this include the environmental factors, the climate change factors, the nutrition factors, the training factors, the treatment, the psychology of the breeders and their connection to their horses. And this is completely also, as you said, it's the variables are changing from farm to farm. That's why we have a blueprint, which is relying in the DNA sequence, and which is the genetics, and we have the fingerprint of the breeders, which is actually makes your production is different from Omelai's or Larzal production, completely distinct sometimes or different, although we are actually here speaking about Egyptian horses.